Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, welcome. My name's Kaylan. For today's video, we're gonna have a productive day in the life. Today is actually a Sunday though, so it's gonna be a little bit different than like my normal productive work vlogs. I actually waited to get dressed with you guys so that way we could pick out my outfit together because I actually got a package in the mail from Gilly Hicks. They gifted me like this big bag of clothes, which I am very thankful for. So I thought it'd be fun to do like a little, not unboxing, I actually already opened everything up, but just like trying everything on together for the first time with you guys. Right now they're actually having a sale on their site. So their t-shirts are starting at $10 and their sweatshirts are starting at $25, which is a really good deal. And of course I will have everything linked down below with my sizing in case there's anything that you guys want to pick up as well. But let's try these pieces on so that way we can get ready, get an outfit together, and get started on our day. Outfit number one is this two-piece set. I love this, you guys. The color of it, the feel of it, it's really lightweight. So I actually might wear this one today. I haven't tried anything else on, but I really like this one. And it's like cute, but still cozy at the same time. Outfit number two, this is like the perfect workout outfit. This tank top has pads and a sports bra built into it. And then the shorts are really nice, once again, for the gym or just like athleisure. I like shorts like this just because they're not too tight. They're still a little bit looser, but they're still really good to work out in. And then I also got this oversized green zip up that I would definitely wear like on the way to the gym. I will definitely be getting a lot of use out of this. This is really nice. It's really thick, really good quality. So this is outfit number two. I'm probably not gonna wear this one today, but like I said, this is like the perfect athletic, athleisure gym outfit. Option number three, this is definitely out of my comfort zone, but it's very trendy right now. I've seen a lot of people on Instagram like wear these one-piece sets, Pilates to work out in, even with like a oversized zip up over top of it, like that green one. That would be perfect. I really like this. Definitely something different. I don't have anything like this, but it's very cute. It's really comfy too. Outfit number four is definitely my style. Definitely a contender to wear today. Just a really comfy basic outfit. You guys know me, I like to be cozy and comfy all the time. And then the sweats also have a drawstring waist, which is really nice. This is just like the perfect cozy lounge outfit, especially working from home. And the last outfit is once again another athleisure outfit. I have on the same black shorts that I was wearing earlier with that tank top, but I have on a long sleeve black zip up with it. This zip up, you guys, is so nice. It also has like nice line detailing on it that just gives it more of like a sporty athleisure look. I really like this. It does also have pockets too. Once again, this is something that I actually don't have anything like this, so I'm really excited to wear this and pair this with a few athleisure outfits. Okay, I changed back into this little two-piece set. This is gonna be my outfit of the day. Like I said, it's just so cute and comfy and cozy. I love it. I will have everything linked down below in case there's anything that you guys want to shop. We can be matching, we can be twins, and once again, a huge thank you to Gilly Hicks for gifting me these items. That was so sweet of them. We're done with the coffee shop work. I got so much work done, which always feels really good. I spent about an hour and a half on press reset work. So I did write my newsletter for the week, which it always takes me a little bit because there's literally 1,000 of you guys who are signed up to receive press reset emails. And so I want to make sure that the emails that I'm sending out are actually quality and valuable emails. If any of you guys are English majors or professors or teachers, please ignore my comma splices. And then I actually studied trading for a little bit. So I talked about this in my mid-year reset about how a big goal of mine this year was to learn how to trade options. And so I think I decided instead of going to grad school, which a lot of you know that I've really been wanting to go to grad school this year, It's just really expensive. I'm self-employed, so it really doesn't make sense. It was really just for the knowledge and education. So I think instead of putting my time, effort, and money into grad school, I'm actually going to put that same time, money, and effort into learning how to trade the stock market. I think that's the plan, at least for now. So got a lot of trading work done, got some price reset work done, and now we're actually going to head to the bookstore because I want to go get a new book, and a lot of you guys recommended Happy Place by Emily Henry, so I want to go see if they have it. And if they do, definitely want to get that. Back home, and I thought I would show you guys everything that I picked up while I was out. So I ended up getting 2 books and a new planner. The first book that I got is the book that I went in for, which is Happy Place by Emily Henry. I am so excited to read this. A lot of you guys recommended this to me. I've seen nothing but good things about it, so I think it should be good. Comment down below if you guys have read this and what you thought of it. Like I said, I did get a lot of recommendations for this. This is probably gonna be my next read after I finish my current book now. And then I saw this book by Ali Hazelwood. This is Love on the Brain. I've not seen anybody talking about this. Hopefully it's not bad. Ali Hazelwood is probably my favorite author. I love The Love Hypothesis. I'm currently reading Love Theoretically right now, which is also by her, and it's really good. Her books are just so unique because they're like nerdy romance books. Comment down below once again if you guys have read this. I'm really excited to try it. Of course, I will let you know once I read both of these what I thought about them. I'm probably gonna read my book now, which is Love Theoretically, Happy Place, Love on the Brain, and then The Silent Patient. And then before I came home, I decided to stop by Target quickly to look at their planners. I've been using undated planners for probably the past year or so. I switched from my dated planners because I would just always waste the pages because I would never use it. After a little break from dated planners, I kind of want to get back into it, and so I found this one at Target. It says Define Your Own Success. And what I really liked about this one is that, well, one, it's like a really like thick, heavy duty planner. There's a ton of pages in here. So this is what the weekly spread looks like. I really like how every week you have like a weekly overview over here. So you have your tasks, you have what's important, looking ahead, and a room for notes. And then you have all of your days of the week all on one page, which I really like. There's definitely enough room here, at least for me personally, to write down all my tasks. I really like that, and it's like that for every single week. So every week you have your weekly overview, and then you have your to-dos for the week. So just a very just minimal, I think, an aesthetic planner. I really like it. I love the colors of it. So I'll see if I can find this on Target's website and link down below for you guys. It was $30. So I'll keep you guys updated on how I like it, how it helps my productivity. I just really need to stick to actually using it. I'm gonna go downstairs now and make myself a smoothie and bagel. I am so hungry. I have hardly eaten today. So I'm gonna go probably make some food, get my book, and probably do a little bit of reading. Thunderstorm just came out of nowhere. It's black outside. It was just like 90 degrees and sunny. So the lighting probably sucks, but I'm going to have my late lunch and do a little bit of reading. And I really want to get through this book so that way I can start on Happy Place. I'm having a cinnamon raisin bagel with strawberry cream cheese. I had never tried this before. Devin's the one who told me about it. It is so good. Way better than I ever thought it would be. I'm telling you guys, try this. I thought it sounded gross, but it's actually really good. And then I have my green smoothie. So I'm gonna have my lunch and do a little bit of reading. later. It's around 8 o'clock right now. I meant to read for like 30 minutes. I ended up reading for 2 hours. I am almost halfway through it. And when I started reading today, I was on page 30. I think we're gonna do some Chipotle tonight, but before I go pick up that, I thought it'd be fun to do a little planning session since it is Sunday night. And of course, break in the new planner. So I thought it was only right to sit down. We can plan out our week. I'll show you guys, you know, kind of like what I plan and the whole spread and everything. So I am actually so excited to use this. So we're gonna test this out and plan out our week. Here is my outline of the week so far. I love this, you guys. Like I said, I love how I can like plan out the overview of my week over here, and then I actually like plan out my individual days over here. So over here, I just wrote down like just a few things. I didn't plan it out too much, but just like the very basic things that I already know that I need to do. I wrote some notes there. The focus for this week is definitely just on balance and just, you know, making sure that I'm achieving as much as possible in all aspects of my life, because I tend to really only focus on one or two. So I really want to focus on balance this week. And what's really nice about this planner too is you have a little section up here. I'm not really sure what this is for, but this is perfect for me because I can actually plan out what I'm focusing on for that day. So I do have an Amazon business. I obviously create content, and I also have Press Reset, which is where I sell my budget spreadsheet. So like Monday is an Amazon day, Tuesday's content, Wednesday, Thursday are Amazon days, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday are more content and Press Reset focused. But yeah, so far I really like it. Like I said, I'll keep you guys updated. It is 11:37, so let's do a little nighttime skincare. Nightly skincare is done. We're ready for bed. It's almost midnight and I want to get up around 6, so I'm going to go to bed here soon. I really hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me, and make sure you guys comment down below any videos that you want to see. I have a what's on my iPhone on my list to film this week. So many of you guys have been requesting that. Make sure you let me know down below. But yeah, once again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!